Dead. Minim de aka no. Brother Society Irrigated Sports at Twasuma here on Adum 106.3 FM. Yep. You feel crasso. On the Asia. It is a day and I say, you baby, you come when a Benfona Casa. Now, you are the Akano, Yaka Ediagum.
Well. Please, Irrigated Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Irrigated Sports, papa. So listen to Irrigated Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
And I don't know. From there, now you're moving on.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adum FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi.
Other for me didn't this Sisi Chum. That they be a Irrigated Sports. There's no day minty irrigated because me tia manage na me stress
over
open program one denisham fast sports one tie Irrigated Sports Adum 106.3 FM the famous John.
Amen. All right, so you about to ask Kwame Akwaba.
Agumejo so.
Empom to say.
Am ya Adum ya tempo anu de nja sa nwemu ana jaza gwa.
Na opani akonwa ya
opani ba kwa betra so.
Obazo she
say opani akonwa no opani so betra. Na nenso ya hu se woni abrochefo ni di nkomo pa. Na papa nso de ono na ya abrochefo.
Na wo pe abrochefo time a say start ya na eso oba. Na by this time dey dey na be abrochefo. Na dey abrochefo awie ya fe no oba.
Wa banda just
abrochefo mo daita. Akwa ba it say.
Koko mejo so.
Abroche enkomo.
Say na no ada die.
Mo na be say be panyin no.
Na to ya akora. Na no ada na.
Wa be ya opani.
Wa biti. Say what we ya oye no so yufu. Obra wa born land ya bontre. Awo de ade no ode adwane betra kuru. Say na no ada na. Oba ya edidi a. Oh. Yeah, actually aduani dey say dey akono di medi bidam so opani didi insretri aduani dey
also basket
insretri diafe ya obisa Eric na Eric na who need spoon wo make so fork ba ko da wa o aduani so e mo rice e mo so dey the fork na bi
ayi no fork no entimi sado do
o dey e wa pena so
research ya and just fork no entimi
sado na me say na opani na dey na yi what land ya bobra na emo asete afi na akopɛ spoon fork down beje fork na fadi
wa say abrafo I say emo anka akwa we ati a wo ba bedi no
akwa yi be
ai man ye oti ai man akwa ba na me kan
na ajizi ayo de
ja
na
why on when is an power
so who so wodi wa cheda
omo na geze
o ko brochira sa wo brochira kita be na
wo ko brochira he fa na ko this sort of
adimi ko
we are this sort of
adimi ko brochira de tebini Donald Trump na
brochira wo ka wo ko brochira
ko he sabe he film
kata be he film
wo yan kan film he kwaku anka kuntajo mu na ono e be di wa no esitabu ni fifio ana bushia na
manfo tin kakra
bia ti kakra wadi ewura gu ho
we di onu ko eku no
na kwaku wako ayi awuleda ayi awusafo aware no
mako 1 or 2 bi yeah
amu factory and a temuno another bowl ekita obi na wade tifi kwa o tiri se boom na say kana de eti kwaku ha de say de aduan no so na me bisa asa abrofo we amoase ana but me say de obi a kire me obroni fita na makasa no ase abrofo anwe moase obroni bia ni ho a
de oba
no amu ase o se da ja amana se Ghana fo bi se da kwa de na pin na no ge ba kwa ba mo na pin akasa atomo ne so e ma ase ase Say no be
napkin never man say ashe.
Say no e mamo who say any mathematics no.
E trim moisture na wo mu no, be no so che say map no ashe.
E me de say na maba ha. Obo ade ti ya num de.
So you are very happy to be here.
Emi ya say na mabetu no pa me. So ti won jira onimo aduane no a. Onim say estimu mu no.
Me
say ya de kata no
me
All guys all the kata so na man say.
Enter ma suya scap.
Baby yenye
Me ma aduane no ti ma suya scap.
Ya me ya say wo so person kwa abuchi.
Enter ma suya scap.
Kwaku. Ya me ya say papa we ma me to America ko ya passport man say onim say hwe passport kwa so.
Oh, you have passport.
You have passport.
Me na ma ya ko na bi ni passport.
Oh, so ka do kra nche me say the bad boy no na fa passport no.
Last
no you to
trade. Say last crowd no. O say call a passport center or call here we no. E na oba no we gina no so cha. Oh, yo makoy me kwa also makoy. I feel oh, that's me call me question about the passport am me almost oh Jack. Catch your crabs or buy it still yet in go forms no grass all completely
because 3 times akwaku de oba or the forms neighbor signature no taking 3 weeks ultimate sign the signature and so say we your picture no taking no and also taking 3 weeks
wow
I go down they do achi
bibi abroche no agabasa me kwa let me free studio akra ade be chene me wo ho passport me je ba ko e se motom sa 5 years ankoda o
me na me ye no edu ozana Kufort I think Kufort me so 5 years ja boss ha me a me nkoji because me ni be bia me ko koji na ebotu me to wonni ma kwento na koji e ja 2013 na mkoji 2008 e bench ma fena me fa la pass car
so father so the pass
I don't know about the pass
go for me go for so me no nya mo sha brepe
na be sha brepe so go be different pass
okay so
ka ya kamasem me busa wo fork na kasa me the fork be di mo the fork ne be di onya salad
la wo she yombo ibi
dabi tie
da wo she yombo ibi
dabi we say the wo she yombo be ha dwen man adwum no sa
adwum do ko so be say the yombo ni bu fo na fa ko so
ba wo de ne ba o jema
me de ne de me na ma say
da ba drink too much
abojo so she
me ki ana me ye ni say
ba ko papa we ntamba
oh what is
that the entina me buy
oh yes tie for no hwe o
and the dey to buy no dey kan ko
ye be border
okay
on the halfway the visa no ye
enye by force ye be border to be to me say I am two way say e wo mu say even kwa ye be please but say the restrictions in your money me what me say me come no put me to
me boss cross me Dubai expenses pay
no ne dey tourist one or person ko ahame ene ye de bae me si kwaku me pese me ka kire na atiefo nyina di adanse say me give visa no kra man na ontimi tu kwan because tourist visa na entu kwan
say entu kwan bi ye twa tourist visa
omo ye ntwa mu because baby a person ko nye mbie border no say de be ya wo tourist
you can border mbie
and no say tourist visa na entimi ko che say person ko kan obusia wa wa yiri wo
na bi mi ni yiri wo
o ma mi wo ho akoka no
mabusia ni bi ani
ene na wonya nko nya
ene na kwa America ho na mabusia fo
ene kra mu nya mbie ho
me sister wa Kellen Texas
so asemo yo
na say Washington bi wa Shama he ya Shama fo ko ni ade ina wa
omo Lebanon
ti wo ko ye
New York
pressure no dos what the passport me twa me fa one city
o se frozen
da
asemo akofa be I say Jack alolo me die bi o se me fa me previous amano na me so me nya togo de o so na obu mi say
na akodajo ko previous abra
akonte yoko asem wa Jack emi ni abem ada na utimi jaja
operi
to wase ansana ye beto aso akoye ni mu no
yeah
said why ye sha se wo kan se me ma gizi akwaba no de o mu ni say na no ye run ya gated ya na wow ye say has to focus should be ntini ade ntino ope enum bi ntimi run sa anyon ma na me o bisa wa wuntimi ntonyo no ntimi nkai tatepo tie ye ya say you say Jerusalem ya na ope ye run the ma na de o mu ni say ono so aye enyume remix.
Oh, okay.
Why cover? Why on the cover? Why on no so ne de? What I say? I just say emuye. Eti and your baby reviews are him.
Oh, okay.
I get it so and what I say. To another kasa eti your bema kasana. What say the motive behind sa cover here why you know so na de enti a oye no on kan che wi na fi wi aye tie nyu no
there you be chobia we see I alligated for fans for ina Jerusalem na to say I want you na gospel you na gospel Jerusalem but at the point na me feel say akwan ania nyum no nia wotipe Jerusalem wonti hwiri biom Jerusalem pa na wotio
se kasa no wonti
enti me fani waste amema Ghana for so ape ati me de ba Ghana for kasemu
okay
na Ghana for kasemu no lockdown ni aduane enti me de ye aduane ma Ghana for kwan to ba cha ben kwan nkruma kwan akante kwan otwe kwan odwan kwan
na de obi an kwan
Jerusalem ya ni na we enti hwe ti no me magana fo atenyum na tenti e bia nkwan na okaba na wonte ti maka ni twi ama wo na me de atosa magana fo afa
ready yesu okay enti sa na tie de aye betie nwum no na ye wi aye tutu no asra ne abasa na ehu se de esi ekwafa
menu kwema menu kwema excess entertainment reactive ajisi menu kwema ingruma kwai agrantie kwai jamon kwai ochim kwai bunebunum kwai inka ten kwai inka kran kwai champestie angamo kokonte abetio ekubetio yechichebi yale party yeshimkwai ya benkwai fanti fonkwai stream fonkwai kwewu fonkwai aibe fonkwai yeshimkwai ya benkwai Chichebi yale party yeshimkwai ya benkwai fanti fonkwai srimu fonkwai kwewu fonkwai aibe fonkwai yeshimkwai ya benkwai Snow Pit on the mix. Snow Pit on the mix.
Okay.
On the mix.
Therefore, the woman say, as I said, o join you on Facebook. Na abra otonomo no. Ebo na wutie no. One who minim say a special dance bia or de aka nwom no ho senso sen yo. Na wa hunti. Yebesa fa ne biem. Na o kan krofon kwan. Achim kwan no ye de kwan be.
Ene be di mi kola mi di
atim. Na ko vuon kwan na ka ko vuon kwan no de.
Apan no na mi anobo na kwan na piem.
Kwame ko vuon kwan ye de kwan.
Ko fu de ye pe apan kwan.
Apan kwan no de.
Apan mi anobo.
Mi anobo.
Na say ne ti apan di enam na che say kwan wi. Because apan kwan so betimi de enka ti kwan betimi de apan kwan betimi de
ne foda kasa kwan ne foda kasa kwan aben kwan.
Apan no.
Ni abe.
Enti no, kwan ni wo ho a, kwan obi albuze nkranfo mo kwan.
Omo de senka dokono nkran dokono na mako.
Enti na ma bi za nkran no fon kwa me sin nkwan be ni.
Eti
ko nkwa odi nsi ogu moko nu mana.
Eti nkran fo ni nkwan. Sa mo ba
nkwan. Obi eye ne nkwan
ba cho mo amu Facebook mo da mo fa comment na me nkran fo nkwan amu me nkran fo nkwan.
Da bi ye ni tribe bi nkwan. Na de ye won say like super ye nkran fo so ye obi aye bi.
No. Na na wa bo ba.
Wuni misrim fo nkwan.
Srim fo nkwan na
ayoyo bi ni ayoyo we.
List mu no.
Ayoyo nkwan.
Ko di t-shirt na.
Ano mo fa ni fufu o nya nkwan.
Na se yo ma na se mo ni fufu. Na se mo ni fufu.
Banku ya fo nkwan ni. Amutu ya fo nkwan.
Ayoyo more of a stew than a soup.
Greenway now. No,
I know it's a more of stew.
It is not stew. It is not stew. T-shirt no. Oko baby omo ye special one pa na. Wasan kwan no mo was stew bi o ayo me dey become my compliment no. And they different. But sa we na ye dey kwan o.
Na no ye sim for na.
Ba go to be one for.
Who say nkan ni? Who say
na so ndi yi fufu a ma nkruma na dos wo mu. Dey
nti wo kwa igbefo a mo won mo nkwan.
Yes.
Fete de ti no wo mu a agbobita di dwene mu a aya igbe nkwan no no. Nti no na asantifo de no asantifo nkwan ye de.
No ni krakra no.
Krakra.
Ba mo se mo akante we bi.
Akante de. Otwimbiri no.
Otwimbiri so.
Na abaye hu o tu o ta no aje
akante biri so.
O tu su mana se o ta to akante ni na mo to kan.
Da you end on the me free on the gum keke.
Oda ye nkwan
na no we bi akante bi
pe bi e bet kakra. Ni no nya de won ye kurom ni akosesa wo.
Oh da.
De won yem no.
Ntete bi.
Awon nsuru ni mu na enya emeduru ebini no.
Ba se ebini.
Cheri etinye.
Davi tie. Kwame wait. God forbid. As you are here, if you are hard pressed now call washroom wa, ubetwa out the beba no, your friends saying.
Eh, me.
Aha. And as a CA out to ya enya ni wu. Nyame fa sa ma. Ba at greater be chimo fa so esi ana. Why you now ya. And so e dey
be me yam ade.
Oh, masa ya.
Do that you.
So I'm for anusunu and qualify.
That is inside on the by no.
Baby apa no. Be me form check.
Kwame.
E fa side we.
Kwame. The one inside on the man. No grab.
Now ko e bi ni kitikiti na ojibre mi ko jibi gan.
Bagu. Anobody come. Anobody come.
What try? Nkwa bi wa odi na steady. Bi say in my phone kwan.
As my phone kwan.
Is my phone kwan.
Na say nkwa. E dey atake ne dia na mo say.
Atake ne nkwan.
I be phone kwan as my phone kwan dey.
Ani ebisa no na de
na say.
So na bon kwan yo.
Ni kokokokoko say.
Ya ba. Ala ban kwan ni e blue.
And a Chelsea fan eh.
Bagu.
Asewo.
Anybody come up na ase. Why lock we kwa di twebronya kakra. We ni bronya be come up. My bronya aduane am ba be dia. Ye boss adu we obi a.
E sha se na em so ni be no hwan ma.
Uze na okaka to me no hwan ma. Mi reta ma. Se bia na nkwan na bazo no yama ye.
Oh my goodness. Ezi pacho enyo no. E wo ba bia. Hey, okay, yes ganfo no e wo okrosu soup.
O na se okro die.
Okro die se
Voltarians.
Ya via for na
okro die Voltarians. I before the pen kuma. No ko.
No, you don't waste time on the road.
No.
Straight to the destination.
Be for one kind.
Be.
Maybe I won't quite.
Abunu.
But
as I have more of pa. Be
anywhere.
Rare
Obi aye.
Santifo.
Some quite the tribe. Obi at me.
No, but
no, I think say Reverend Bear Santifo and Crackran Bear Kofo. Crackran Quino.
There been crackran, Quamena and crackran.
And Crackran, I say, light soup will be and shut down yet, dear.
Crackran, light soup. And I'm a profit. Oh, tea.
And Crackran typical pan. I am no shut down yet, dear. And now go you won't be and Anna. There's a you go and my
I'm sure say this issue of tribal soup is at a lot of normal boom.
Yeah. And maybe additives no.
I am one over him for Nady.
Who is it?
I'll talk to my own car. There was 16 regions to Oklahoma. I found a hedge and one coin.
Oh, I saw one of the other so better. Nothing I'm going to do. Interculture.
And I use integration. Come on, Council anyway.
Oh, I send you not. And
what Zona said, you know, Niamua now, Kwame Ekano.
Yeah,
or say, no, almost friend, Bufro, yeah, Bufro.
Before the large no forget it science say who did na fem wa bedu small intestine na kind na say so in the large intestines there's what we call absorption of water from there you feel you want to go into the one kwa na hard no your constipation what I say into from the large intestine I'm moving bofro it is it's just that water has been removed and that has come through but when it is in large intestine where the media the money
any problem
now some boy in the UK say chale you force pie no dey wiper na obi ebo say abunabunu ne rere nkwan na ye for Asantefo
Abulabunu rere. Still like Jamwan kwa mutimi chebe Jamwan kwa.
Jamwan. Dabi na voter for na muka voter for kwa kucha down for Jamwan ni nye.
Kwa you are trying to be smart. You know say free voter, say free voter.
Na so obi anim say Jamwan ni voter.
We so wow be ka o za na bo za sa no sa so ba.
We there akwa we say oni na down for igbedi bi that na akwana ya de wi ma no hwadripa o say oni say on pejira mo party na o ejira mo atu ho na ba ku bi we na otu abo na stop pa na obo mo de say o de chero na ko o so efu o so enyo o yeah o say no say yeah no de ejira ko che obi na ba ku na ni gine hu mo mu na o de opeso ki puru no afi na no I say na efu de adina ya
o me de we say fu na fly
oh say obo ejira say for you see that
ajama na me de akono ni eta wan no ajama na me de akono na awie anya na mo edi tia me say de bia very important
etu kono ya
ne kono ya de ma me kwa
wan me obo life
ya de akono na awie na nya obi a so anim noa bi se be wi ajama
a but the drama kuma din
depend obi so ti twa
dog pepper soup
and where come be free
and refi
and I say okay what you keep about you pay
we na mo the body e che no for me boy but I one answer hey and I mo the body che srem e ba dog but achim
oh sir
hey
I know them come and go no
chief every
appointing koko
I had the sunam I friend had the
now almost saying aboa no krama no so mu kun wi a no mo di ni tin to like soup no
da bi ni tin yam paim e tum sa
na
rewura na adwe ni kakram ni nyina
good na o de to a na o be fefe ni me
ofi ba ko 2 cedi
wherever you die you will come home can
ofi ba ko 2 cedi eno yam ba ko fo ntonko
etire no
ofi 2 cedi no
ofi free
no
no tuntum no
abani Agasi numuna ayade pa na me
pesa no so dey agade
agade babo
mi di kwa mi boti
na oboti anya mi
bodi ni bi na mi
ajeze
nyum no
ozo agasi
ene ye pa Kwajo Adams ne yire birthday nti mo sugar nti ene me bisa nyum na ma no ne birthday eye ene
na manum kwan
maame Kwadu aka Mrs Adams nti ene ya ne birthday na kopon emo ne ho ban na o ma ne nyi nche kwaku unim say accident no for science biem
ewe fa
ewo kasoa gomu man so
anya nra
ndabi
nra
de esi
nra ba ko na matching na ba ko later on ba ko so si wo honom no wo kan me gas obi ase enne
so me ba nra asa to ba me ba na ensi kwaku eno so
si later on the day
on collision am kan ye bia me bo a
enye collision
mo na mo de mo be camera fo ha na me kan de collision
my boss mama cholesterol
collision na me kan na wo senya sa
collision
head on collision etina asema me kan say ebetimi a sa akwan major one si yenye no
kwame
dual carriage no
me ba o mame enka se bi
itio
eye assembly a aha me for a very very long time ewo ya kwan so and I know say there are a lot of drivers or mutiens abri you can't drivers are enya commercial drivers person or multi buses sport taxis near day but everybody will be bia or cheap private car here then you be a what trust the chinkwa there also you can't driver for now can be it looks as if say a dear be a what driver for mu a sadie no e dinya papa share overtaking
one
we can't stop overtaking we are simu we are there because any pa ye nam kwan so no ye nyina ye nko the same destination
yes
and na obia so or reason tie we tuka sometimes we to obi or drive then you ask us no nipa kun ene on traffic no no because car no go to onya kwan konko or ko be 20 bi no nam kwan so no or hard wins na wa ma traffic on echi a ultimi for so no and obi so pentam chen obi ntie then overtaking and driving it's all about calculations.
Okay.
Obey overtaking especially a choir and your dual carriage. No, or share sometimes it be cry a quiet do and muka ban or share the distance between on a car or dinner bit me and one. You can even overtake. And as a car be my ultimate overtaking. And now sometimes the nature of the road, it be out share and I say, hoye. But you overtaking a car be a few and mumano, not junction be all. Naka bia buasi mu ano no so ba etimisi into overtaking the there but you see your mentality away a team say me nua watching me man watching more no it is killing us
sadie no
I have witnessed this on major roads bebre
so when you far I said
obi are overtaking when you say driver and when you overtaking na wi an watching no also but because unim say what the right of way you know now I didn't hold flashing light to sign flashing you are wasting time.
Yes.
At that very moment now who's nipa watching now just go up the shoulder of the road keke no nipa kran watching or messing this one that I witnessed onipa ni guso flashing light on con channel the watching na ba besin and onipa so o hwe say the baby adnadu no otimu say akwa no on con channel man nti ene onu mom e ko the far side amono akwa akote asi shoulder of the road say now we na no yes or punish no afi no no so say call and oni ni over there they both died.
Wow.
It's been happening. And it's our time now wasting flashing your light into the sinchenka crack or now nipa and watching no ebetwem kwa. Would you die?
But
I don't know why they have that mentality.
Say, I've spoken to somebody and now
it is not good.
And then overtaking our okay, no one caused the accident.
You see,
and we are overtaking and a couple for Asiano. Now, Oceano went to me and and say, Omudu Muti, Kwakuna, a driver for us, you two, money for no, you two, a Jamaso for. And they say, overtaking I, yano. A bit to me, I say, Osha, when you at a certain distance be, and son, why you come here and make us say, and when
sometimes somebody want mafia you, somebody want mafia.
And you see, Osha driving regulations, Muya. And can the normal circumstances or drive it now obi baby sign one obi overtake you no one now only parkuna start you overtake you no krano you don't have to accelerate okay I can drive in home but you see we know a lot of things only parkuna nya make the attempt to overtake you no Body up I shall do kuma minim say obi koboko as a driving crown driving the moment when you yes overtake na no Jimmy excuse me Jimmy train keke when nya make attempt it was someone who be wu ana then I find out to tia so ana ne ho kire na accident for what reason
sometimes when I saw me who pictures no then people started blaming the government. I said, bro, this is not an issue of government. See, we have been driving and they take care. We have used on tarred roads. This was even tarred. People just reckless driving. It is us.
Drivers now.
Sprinter drivers and the Samo Muchikas and Ketuano. Aya, Udiomatia as a own compete. Ye Formula 1
it's true.
Our quietness
so phone now quiet be
as a Formula 1
on no di can do bus stop
now what we for nipa
and almost we boss to no cost
me dey kwaku ye bet ye dey be tie
na drivers so me smart so mu side na no omo the other side na
so no obi am
oh by the way accident we nipa ewu ye no we driver kram na cho be fa ho adi so what you say enti obi anya hwe yie enipa no so yeteka mu no yetim na se bibi se koso a aya yan kasa akoya me ne kasa so no oteka no hu se driver ba kono yi afa ho ba enti no mo de mo ye ho hwe a enye yie ba na wo ba but anu just na driver no kran so enye overtaking enya botre okwan so na yakwan no de wa eni
we say yenya presidential candidate bi a promising one military man run trotroka otimu se upatia o de bema tiaso o de bema o de tiaso
e juba so suggest man na do say one promise ka say
passenger car bi ana so de ni ba ko ti
o de ne juba so de one ne nkora one ne bra upatia so o de overtaking yen hwe
kale driving ekuni papa
we are killing ourselves ye kuku ye ho sa ye kuku ye ho sa
opani kusa ye wo words bi wo ho a ye nana no mutimi nka enti na awie kasa foforo I mean say me come here be hu na the word o say ye odi ni fare by
oh say ye
odi ni fare by
oh say ye say ye ana
oh say ye
god damn it
oh say ye na no mo nti o say oh say ye na ko so dia bonyom
oh say ye Achio, banka mai oh say there.
Oh say ye.
Oh say ye. Oh say ye. Oh say ye.
I know asem no. And we dey say we dey munim ya ka bloody food no be free. Bloody food.
Now when we say we back we Winiba. Windy Bay.
Windy Bay
in Frama Ewopo. That area no Frama no ball pa ba.
Na Africa Windy Bay.
Me ko Windy Bay.
Na pele phone ntia so Winiba. We dey me boy chire. Ana ya bakuzi oba we ka no lampo no. Lampo. Land pool.
Chama. Ba my adio. Ya no na my adio.
Lampo sa. Na tanka so ye den.
Town council.
But
you will be unaka town council na yachi
na Kambu uri na ba sem Kambu ya she ya camp boot ha and ya Kambu za
ba chale no mo die wo I can't find my Kambu
organizer dey so be hunu
I say never organizer
e dey ho boga
screwdriver
no I say screwdriver
ba on ye pe old one no ye pe
choboy so choboy we nim baby free nobody choboy then
no cheer up boy
no cheer up boy and we choboy
oh chama
see ye
o ma ha
na kalabule so
kalabule
obi adim kalabule
but
clever bully
I said, which is still be
are clever.
Which is still be cleverly.
But if only to the Kalabuli.
Oh wow. Oh.
Now kai Awam. Association of African West African Merchants. Awam. Minimum. Oh, one to say Yadifo Kobia na Omo Kuma.
Awam.
Jeko. Oh. Me mount Infoni bi na efa to Facebook ona etiofo nche me omo nche omo adwen ho say how is this possible na ye bia obi experience ade bi pen ana eti me patcho me di picture na ma fato Facebook sisia na yenhwe se de tie na enhwemu a abeded ni chese wense man no oye Accra House of Folk supporter na eno de achi mebo hwese yampa na se nyampa na mum de oye no na anye bia no obia e bi pen ana because your combination bi wo a aya wonnim but obi kire na o try hwe so otimi say ampemu ye
but a video na say a picture
a picture
na mo ye dem so House of Folk supporter
na make ka say nkrofo nim no wo say man no ye House of Folk o de ato aha eti patcho mo ko Facebook no so na mo hwe picture no mame na ye hwe say anye bia sa combination no
kwaku House of Folk ye 1911
is it possible
you ka ho asem wa say o
da sani ebo bie alongside banana sa combination eti patcho mo ko Facebook no
why na ka say House of Folk support
because
I want to take the person on until
I'm for nim no
the catch
na nu man ya onum bie any bread ewo stadium
no sekotokotade
no bia nim say
no sekotokotade
ono no sekotokotade kwa obi anim no say sa man no de
ono no sekotokotade akwai there's nothing sophoric about him
oh tie kwakwe na chese kotoko no has ankasa mo de niam e bapa because man yi di bie
na was
no de we pan no pan is and House of Folk man yi so yi bie and no boy banana
and yeah sophoric about this man
what is
sophoric about this man
I don't go for anymore yes on fa has bia bro
na no say House of Folk
o ga man I tell for them mo ko get picture no da Facebook o de mo ko na ko ade no ze o bo bie and ko banana
papa no say red o say onu de
on the obi anim say the bie oba park
bie and banana we be
kotoko
kotoko ne someone say bibi na say ba ko ye beer and bread and no so beer and banana say two teams
beer and banana dey ehu
beer and banana na ehu pa o dey say dey akwaru say o we banana na o dey bo beer na alongside say
on say man for kra ka say I support the onye sa kotoko ko Facebook ko kan Burkina
no seaside Burkina no seaside
akwari
or the Burkina as well seaside
otapani about no crank change lesson
kotoko dey bibi as dey bibi beer banana Burkina
oba ya fra come say House supporter for sure who dey onim kwaku mani twede nu just say we are send obi ade no
nidi kra na aba no nidi kra na ba yes fe no azuma phobia chese su oya popular osu obi anim no osu
e be je ba se table no kwanya no kwa na te so
the gama na che de na ye de kra be fa
azuma phobia chese obi anim no okro nim
na ye de kra be fa
mo azuma phobia twede num na nipa answer we
bibi pa
kwaku enkwala ya egusu echron so hwe yese enram yenu darashom ko hospital
den
omonyenyem na omode twro ensohwe no ewa friend place in Portmore baby na me ba ko de me so hu first question no na point no ano na brofo say premature e da be no nya premature
miscarriage
spontaneous delivery say brofo no ye
anonyem
onyem no de twro paper no na onya spontaneous delivery
na pregnancy near
I said
how many months
I said but ni day ni so ye ba anyi
it is so akola no asurvive
ogusu ya gina wo ba ko de na de yare kakra mutoro da hospital we de na ko se labor ward a kwa ku say time na wonyima won chop paper no na opani I don't know about you
which time you finish
I wrote BC around 95 96 right
95
yeah
no how can go ahead and no
the classmate opani be classmate 95 you try ya time no wonyima on trans already be
for real
obi a obanyi mu bia so where you want the Jesus na won ka
I'm off for this who okrom atu
am za kwani house
ni adebu anya fine da bi apart from man no say girl bi so abomode ahye hasofofo share TV na in fact efe girl so won fe e na caption na we dey amano no F word na mpese be use but mo beti ase o say oh nice girl but you know FT
so ba ko wa chara
I mo tete as
when has a book was support team abrofu kropo e ba park be game no benya no support
na mo kwa mo
the first time
mu yi kani che di on so mo
the first time Ghana for boy yakuba kwa abrofo dose say before na has of folk na ebo
and na tell say mu
abrofo dose say before
and I'm saying say mu
nipa has of folk there what the back no wacha na adwo say team kwa the support some dey from the whole Ghana obi no supporters na has of folk
Ghana na ye na ka bread ni gwenu we sa banana ni bien
Gwa say aphrodisiac obi say aphrodisiac
banana bien no
am say aphrodisiac
ya kwa no oni
yes o say odi Burkina count their long journey say here den
and
o be ya ade akofa nkrofo ye Ghana ne wo no
na ade we wo ka gba sintie o say o ka say o wenu e sia o mu ntia so mu ntie ba mu twom no o mo nka koye
o ma sa advance o fine
boys in fine as o mo
fa try this
guy say no ye say enye mapim
ai also pregnant women dey say so mo fa no ma no nya te ya pom so anyway dey e lokupe o ya e be pass free
o ye mba
kwa ku say dey akwala no nyim kra ma na twiro so hu I think say dey o meni ma mo but ma kwala no nti ase say nyinsan ne awo enye nkwala adwuma
na atopa ne de nkola adwuma
ona me di koyi so o ya nyinsan na de be brew ba nye ne nyina de nyinsan ba o munya ye so munya ye de o mo ho ban because kwaku enso hwe twiro no enye nyinsan ne de twiro so hwe kwa kwala no kwade na otimi sua ye a wosan kra nyima kotoro
na stigma na nkra ndi mema o class ho kra na say onkoa na wo fa check wo na o te class ho
yes ye ko twone game akoni ba ndo ye smart oya no wa hye so ta guso kana do bia o hye so ta on the trust said the way ti we school ni 3 months kra no awo ye ntina akwala won we lucky na otimi na obi eso wo mu na wo san back to life one way ya ebetimi asa
for life
me slum bebre omo aduma agro ye nkwala mpanifo agro omo nya di na mpanifo ehwesu ni omo agro ano ahun asem kakra kwa komedi abrew eno no
okay ansa be to aso akwa ni sese me ba
there be aka me question bi to na okoba
ne fa to gwaku
obi ne bisa me say say okoto say oko interview na
o girlfriend or ex and or board no so be interview na there's a question be na ka be bisa na
dabi o wo na go bisa question wo ko interview no
dabi wo na board no na as oba na ba o ya board no
why me
ex ba interview
why me ex na ba obeto wo na be interview yes ka question be na be bisa no and first person here no so be bisa say onemi two reggae artists from China.
That's what it is. Anyway, I'm a Gangnam Star.
Two was they just two Chinese reggae artists.
So fairly keke. Oh, but maybe we hold na any. Oh, me original musical.
I mean, when you put in China, you
oh, but Google says,
who ntina be mo afeli.
Ground to body and yasem.
President. Okay, so the woman says Showmax available to Okrumwa na opese o stream ya na say o download this series kids movies ne 24 day ne kola shows ne adi na opese o share sports EPL La Liga no money de kenkan ho from Super Sport ni na no obetimi atwatum say news ne adi bibia on any device anywhere you like. Na me patch obetimi enjoy all the action for just 59.99 cedis per intimentary kra. Log on to see www.showmax.com. Then you sign up with your email address. Na fi wa create your password. Na fi wa select it or payment method. Na wetimi asha se asha Showmax. Na bibia so wetimi akoyi commitment bi anum bi. Unya ye de mabobo so ya na chese wo de mu ano wotimi cancel or the subscription anytime bia o pay bia. So go to showmax.com na sign up today. Na also wetimi ahwe Showmax afili ho ehye ai wo ho eno no. Okay. Yento aso nko anim. Then
Kwaku.
Yeah.
Apani na o ka bibi.
Asante emode na
has the munye de
Kwaku ya company ya fo ya mobu nsam din o has more de two come be da o dan koka when we are counting sinners we don't count the devil. Yeah
but we know who the devil is.
Yeah, so yes, house of folk a big time. You go can your down go house.
Oh, you're camping already.
That is camping.
Abani, said a brano. Yeah, Simuntem by a bomber when you see Muntem Lucia. Elbow, the kind of can't will be. And they say the new management abane board no more committee boom. And commodity because now, me person to be Biana, Yanum Bishia.
So committee
send Munyam no
committee grab you free on your own
send Munyam no Munyabi, normally as I do. And Penfasha say any automobile companies be Kasa to get brand new cars as part of Kotoko players signings.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, I'm player.
Brand new car.
They are not going to one plot in the grammar. No brand new car. Every other car on your calendar. As I see one plot, a player, that's what you are from radio station to radio station.
I didn't know, Gromu, I say. And Kofoka, NDC as well. I am not a demon, Baba, can be as of there. Omtimikan.
I don't know, can you mass a man out to 7?
Yeah.
My dream one. My dream one. Oh, so when your mom who said the job must have no. What did it here?
By almost a while, I'm pay you and you what is you and I want
the first one could better the first. So look, someone found for
because say MPP, you ban on where oh, MPP for the
Oko Real Madrid omo players no and I know Asian ball loan in near the crown omo odium de ma players mu nya bi because all the sponsor Real Madrid oh aden
on the mom
say Real Madrid who were dream
on the mom can tanka
a savage car. You Cromana mu coach. Modeka asay man no de kwesi fitam ye ni no team.
Ba ekode.
Ekohen. Edim kwasi amugum ho e kan sema no ma no.
Yes, the council. You because there you can't take it for never. Your
sponsors Makumaku.
Na take it for no more saying.
Oh mo say you that day. You fittings no.
Na dai you see that we answer fittings. Now we have fittings we answer why we see that. How do you do fittings?
Yeah, fittings as na kan.
Fittings na ya no.
Yeah, for
wow. What is fittings?
You fittings, you say fittings or fittings you go.
Okay, fittings.
What's our worry? You David.
Come to church, you so kaka. Cause be video bri no mo kwa yi.
On the mom Aboboya.
Aboboya.
One player, one Aboboya.
I'm not.
Yeah, they can't edit tree in free working number.
Airport no corona be PM.
Cousin Papa making we.
Omo ebe.
Many new papa new story.
Open is about time football no. I see a man munyam bem. So that on to say Sami Jenfi can say the next NDC government but players 1,005. I'm saying it has players even to power.
And I got a players on
the top.
I'm not to the boom. I'm not to the boom.
You go with team no about the period 1,005. It is a baby banana on her ball or bonity ma bon over my time.
Adia Kudidia. And no so ye. Your best person answer no.
I like Bruce and Munya beto ma man you.
Okay.
Obise bono man when so I brother.
Your best Jerusalem no no. Before you be no.
Obise bono when so ya bona.
Your first that say mass sponsors no. Say malaria etete wo de wo hwe na Philip Feverish na say headaches bi ni ade wo mu adika akoye test no. Ye hwe na ye test for malaria there. Now you're positive. No amount saka Lumatrona. Yeah, we know. Anti-malaria medicine kama powerful the entire family ni nyina. Ya kan for ediama obibia. Unya no ye pa na ayaresa no aba. Na de omu say o mofra de ho ne ho mpanifo de nso available. Wo pharmacy shops in them. Do pa no friend Nisi Pharmacy. That was 020 020-830-5676 na wagendo do. Ena Airtel Tigo so a welcome offer. Ye more detching bibia in these times. The woman say nay enjoy free morning calls from 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. for 6 months. Na Airtel Tigo so pen abinya say and once obeto a new Airtel Tigo SIM. Now I make a transaction with Airtel Tigo Money. Now when you're free Airtel Tigo calls every morning plus free Airtel Tigo Money transfers for 6 whole months. Now what register or Airtel Tigo no so that there and the audience answer be dial *110#. Now I select option 2. Now if you want select free morning offer. Say be ya oben so bit me a subscriber for only 2 cedis. Now also I no pe bia wa share concern every morning for free. So go on and buy an Airtel Tigo SIM today. Airtel Tigo Money. Life is simple. DBS Industries Limited say yen kan show say ene crofo yen amount for frakadam. Ebinum ne nam no mo yom so mo ye adwuma ma DBS Industries. And no mo ankasa issue fake or forged invoices, receipts, ne warranty certificates e dey mo amount for. And es kan won jigu ombotum no mo inferior products bi nya dia. Be pacho o pesa on DBS Industries dealer Brian Chen direct na enye business frankofo bi so the woman say ubetua sika bia ma DBS it should be in the company's name, not any other person's name. Company name no DBS Industries Limited. All checks must be made payable to DBS Industries Limited and share a woman no na wanhwe na nkaboya ye kan ya wantie na ukojeja homo bi budi a ene na ye wa ojejeje bibia ni afren na ejinchiremu akra number na 0302-817-211 and I'll be to me 212 and I'll be to me afren 0240-844-444 Kumasi number na 050-600-4141 Takrade there 050-600-4242 and Asunyani there 0352-196-904. Yakwa anymore they are still do obema Jaisu Herbal Clinic and also a Herbal Clinic bakwa and they won't fidie pa huntehunu. Otimi ahwemu kwa ase pa ehu ya reporting how now they are no adru account ama wayaresa aba. Obehu ya chia kwan wo ablekuma olebu 626 down. Na de omu ne se ye wonro so ha yeton. Ebi energize WMP capsules. Ya wo yemu atim den oje wa na yenye no. Wonu bi pe ebubu yem na ma yem esensa no watimi aja wa na se de se. Na fe so no wo high blood pressure ne ade anakra no cholesterol level no wo soro excess fat and gas ni nya no ehwe eyi free o any all black man and black woman boosters so wa eno no e boost your immune system no se be ya na ho betimi ayede na yare bi e ba system no mu a eno a etimi akwatia sa yare ni na e de ama yendru no se undi emfi 12 years e de kwa untimi enum bi dia na wa hye no sa e de ama odu ani chere na bo ache heba wo tema community one bi ho AA mensa na fe nim de heba e wo takrade afe Kings Walk ene Repart Ventures wo kanshi and other herbal shops in them ubenya bi and yes I know phrase 0244-529-398 and after 020-826-3357 Jaisu Herbal Clinic, the home of natural herbal medicine. Sankratui FDA aimuhwemu agya to mu say say Nokia phone so the new Android smartphones aba market ya ebo adwuma pa. Your Nokia 7.2, 2.3, C1, C2, and other sleek Nokia Android phones. Ya ni na ye kan for them amount for. Ya man more megapixels. Sebe ya ubenya clear quality and beautiful pictures and videos. Our long-lasting batteries. Now it's YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, any other apps. No, very, very, very well. It's more the amount and count there from all phone shops across the country. Okoye, Odoko, traffic light 11, and they. Georgia phones, Mrs. Obin best several come amount so account there. Nokia connecting people. Gold TV say and can't say adia there so go come. So don't settle for small things. Choose to Gold TV and let me enjoy the best football leagues on Super Sport. Men's like a crown, Gold TV decoder full set for only 109 Ghana cedis waiting so I agree to Gold TV Max. Sabe I'll be the best in entertainment, the best in sports, the best in football. Say the La Liga ni Serie A ni adi na live na udregumu an. Yes say okotena pabo baby awe wa ufie wa show eye Gold TV no so fili na on our sen. Obetimi a connect to our bro using my Gold TV app. Pay by the point and now say mobile money agent be our on Gold TV. Live it, love it. Finally, on first day on Emma MasterCard. I say the first whistle is more than just the start of a football match. And not any ignites passion. And not any the start of friendships between strangers on the same side. And not any wo say what team would you say airtime with team that you say 1 year no. And no any so ni just from Copa a bejuani atiatiamu e dey attire favorite player na chi wa bra wetimi score winning goal no e dey ama no and no any wo say we celebrate your team no wa bra na ye crown no so no and a champion sapepe and shenete. The first whistle is just the start of something priceless, so don't just watch it, leave it. MasterCard, the official sponsor of the UEFA Champions League. You don't want to say so much on your cinema idea Alligator Sports bro sabre Jerusalem and Kwano. Oh, I love this cover. Yet you know for the very last time, Nafi, yet Trasso and Queen.
Excess entertainment. We are GG. I just say. Ingru and crying. I can't hear crying. Inka tenkwai, inka krankwai. Banchampesi.
Na enkwai so banchampesi o.
Edidi another one didn't go and thank God that.
Abensio.
Abensio. Another one with chow. Everybody.
Shimkwai. Ya benkwai. Fanti fonkwai. Simu fonkwai. Kwewu fonkwai. Ibe fonkwai. Ya shimkwai. Ya benkwai.
Jeko, father to Facebook, no so man for share.
Oh wow.
A branch here on the Papa Bills. A piece of this artwork come in.
Wow.
Se see na obaya wa bewura na in fact ade a branch and the aba na efe na minim the other years ade. Minim this is not like the usual paint, you know. Come on, as a beat, be no there, yeah, no. Me who, my enemy casa no one chair.
As a Nkrumah seat,
as a Nkrumah,
white,
or there,
I brought from Nkrumah.
Mon journey on Facebook now, Moshe. It is beautiful. It's a picture of me and my wife now. Where they say. As a my anniversary bar a year, next week here no do we have there. Boss Akwaba.
Fine.
Now, as I say, your friend saying, Casadin.
Nyaku Jonas.
Ufi. Oh, Ufi Quo. Or no chat here.
I think so.
Oh, okay. Into Quo now. And now, oh, now, yes, I did. 1 eye. Where sure. And then, are there. Beats.
Beans.
The man using
Beans.
Beats, yeah, my di go mo.
I'm going
I
think I'm going to Gary by.
Beats not the idea. Wow. No, is this something you learn from school and answer them? When I was in school. Wow. Wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful.
That's a normal way.
But Jerry, mama was saying white, papa. I was saying white.
Jerry, you want to say a brown?
Hey, orange. Oh man, that thing is beautiful. This is very beautiful.
Madam, who said, I'm saying, who names our land? I didn't know. Also, Dinibium, Nyaku Jonas. In fact, why are there? This is very beautiful. I know, sir, a lot of people in Yabia Omope. For bringing me this intino. Yama platform never advertise ma ho odin ben na we used to or handle or Instagram ne other social media platforms here then now contact number so funny na to na obi pebia why e bia ma because this is very beautiful we all the boho horse ani ha dey na madam F
let me share that you see June 19
Edin you see June 19 that is JOE 19 yeah. Okay, so Joe 19 on all social media platforms.
Yeah, Instagram na Nyaku Jonas.
Okay, Instagram there Nyaku.
Facebook Koniba na Nyaku.
Koniba na Nyaku.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, Joe 19 artwork. O number
I'm to beat any pen shading.
Pen shading. Oh yeah, pen shading and a beat. Yeah. But this particular one here beat. Where you me fepa, where beat oh. Yeah. F at the NF. Patch your ball number
054 524 9076.
Patro Sabobium
054 524 9076.
All right.
Last year, over for St. Paul's, you know. And I mean, yes, and come here, but also over Sunday.
Yeah.
Time and interfere.
Wow. Double. This is nice. Double. I'll take a picture of it. I'll post it on Instagram. And then we'll ask people to patronage or works. It's very beautiful. I mean, we should support people like this. Say who say I'm out for born more than say near the end and I support you. Wow. Charlie, that's it. This is nice. This very
wow.
Yeah.
Where we from crying, I be from crying. Yes, I'm crying. I been crying.
Charlie, hey, no football appointment too. Hey, oh no. Okosha football. Charlie, football season na shasio. Into me say no English Premier League, La Liga, any Italian Serie A show weekend bia. Say go team is why they rough. Say leagues when you go team so. Oh, bebre kwa. Ubetimi ahwe Dutch Eredivisie, MLS, EFL, and the Scottish Premiership ni na ewe ESPN so. Go TV there football power so live. Go TV nti weekend here. Padi omo we know sika so fa so ankasa. Football season for free. Nyo sika so fa so.